global family, welcome to the channel. It's been a minute, but I'm here today with a very quick recipe for a banana cake. So for the ingredients that you're going to need are, I've got my 2 bananas that I've already smashed here on this plate using my fork. I've got 2 cups of flour, 3 eggs, melted butter. I've got my baking powder that I'm going to use, and some 200 ml of milk. Right, and in the bowl here I already have I'd say like 3 scoops of sugar, but sugar is dependent upon how much you need or depending on your dietary requirements. So I'm just going to start off with wet ingredients all together. I know the sugar is in here, but I'm just going to, I like mixing my eggs with the sugar together.
Told me I'm someone, know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Cali way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Cali way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.
Next, I'm going to add
I'm a child of God.
My bananas.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah.
Then next I'm going to add some bit of flour and the milk. For that, I'm going to add some baking powder. So in here I've got 2 cups of flour. Add 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. I just make it very simple, not complicated, and it comes out really good. At this point, I'm going to add my 200 ml milk. Remember, if you have an electric mixer, hand mixer, you can actually use that. You don't have to use a whisk. But for me, because I just make it very simple, it takes about just a few minutes to mix up all the ingredients together. So I just use my whisk.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans.
My oven is on at 200 degrees, no, 180 degrees.
Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
God started revealing this revelation, I had to upgrade the title. It's going to be Trading Faith. It's going to take you trading where you put your faith.
Whilst this is still whisking,
It's take our trust out of what's
baking tray right here. Already battered it, so it's ready to go. So I'm just going to use my spatula to transfer it to the baking tray.
Changing the faith that got you here for the faith that will take you there. Where's there? Your prophetic promise? Where is there? You walking in purpose? When my anger's about to go crazy, I don't run to a bottle. That's what I used to trust. That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source. They are just a resource. I am trading where I used to go, and I'm putting it in the one who can actually heal me.
There we go.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's summer do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel.
Now this is ready to bake in the oven for around about 25 to 30 minutes. Halfway through, I'll check on it, and then how to know when it's ready, I'll just insert a toothpick into the middle of the cake. When it comes out clean, I'll know that the cake is ready. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in the oven now. Before that, I'm just going to do a quick on that. See, just tapped and some bubbles came out, so it's going to go in. And it's going to bake. The cake is ready, as you can see, so I'm just going to let it cool off, and then I'll take it out of the baking tray when it's a bit cooler, and then I'll cut it up, and then I'll show you guys. There's the cake now. It's cooled down. I've cut it up, and that's how it looks like. So if you like this recipe, please give it a try, and don't forget to comment down in the comment section of how yours turned out, and maybe if you use other more ingredients that other than what I've already used, please do kindly share them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing and join the family. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome very much, and hope you get to try and enjoy this recipe. Until next time I come your way again, take care, God bless.